Dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine and I hope you are in good health. Let's start with the first module 1, exploration. Dear students, for grade 9, today we are going to talk about the first module. Module 1 talks about explorations. Look here, I think it's clear from the photos now you can see with me some explorers. But before talking or before going to our lesson for today, let's see together these pictures. I think all these pictures talks about some explorers from the past. As you see, Christopher Columbus, Ibn Battuta, and so on. Let's directly go to our lesson for today. Dear students, you can open your books on page, students' books, on page 14. On page 14, talks about explorers. Talks about explorers. First of all, dear students, let's discuss together some activities about what, my teacher. It's a question for you. It's very important to have an answer. You have to give me an answer with yes or no. And you have to give me the reason why or why not. Let's start with the first question here. Here, I'm talking about some activities we can do in our life. The first one, would you like to attempt climbing a mountain? Would you like to attempt climbing a mountain range? Why and why not? Here, my dear students, if you said, yeah, I like to attempt climbing mountain range, you have to give me the reason why you like it. If you said, no, I wouldn't like to attempt climbing mountain range, you have to give me the reason why not, why you wouldn't like to attempt climbing a mountain range. For example, my dear, I like climbing mountain range because what? Because it is very exciting. Because it is very exciting. It is very interesting. What if you said no? Why? Why no? Because it is very dangerous. It is very dangerous. So you have to give me the reason why or why not. The second activity with me. Would you like to try parachuting? Maybe yes, maybe no. If you said yes, it means you have to say, I would like to try parachuting. I would like to try parachuting. Why? Maybe it's very interesting. If you said no, I wouldn't like to try parachuting. I think, teacher, it is very dangerous. I will die. I'm afraid to die. It's according to you and to your opinion. You have to talk about yourself, about many things you like to do or you would like to do, and many things you wouldn't like to do. But put in your mind that you have to give me some reasons for why you would like to, or the reason why not, or why you wouldn't like to try this activity. The third one, yeah, you can read with me. I think it's clear from the videos. This is a diver. He tries to find out something, search something maybe, Would you like to attempt deep sea diving? Would you like to attempt deep sea diving? Maybe yes, maybe no. If you said yeah, you have to say in a complete sentence, yay, yes, I'd like to attempt deep sea diving. If you said no, I'm very afraid, I'm very terrified, I wouldn't like to attempt deep sea diving. Why? Because it's very dangerous. I'm afraid. Maybe you can see huge fish, sea animals, and you are afraid of sea animals. So, my dear students, you can talk about yourself, about your opinion. I wouldn't like to attempt deep sea diving. Why? You have to give me the reason why you like it or why you don't like it. I think it's clear for you, my dear students, how to deal with these activities now. The fourth one, I think it's clear here from skiing. Would you like to attempt skiing? Yeah. Why? Or why not? If you said why, if you said yes, you have to give me the reason why you would like to do that. If you said no, okay, no problem, it's your opinion, but you have to give me the reason why you wouldn't like to attempt skiing. It is up to you, my dear students. Now, after discussing some activities with you, and we talked about many things that you would like to do and many things you wouldn't like to do, and we gave some reasons for that. Now let's study the new vocab or vocabulary. Shall we? Let's start with the first one. The first word with me, accompany. Yeah, you can try and you can repeat with me, accompany. Let's see an example with you. I have tickets for the theater on Saturday evening. Let's play or the play. Not as a verb here. I'm talking about the noun. The noun. Here, play is a noun. The play is about exploration of the moon. Would you like to accompany me? Would you like to come with me? Here the word accompany. The first word with me is called accompany. 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 Here the meaning? To go with someone. To go with someone. To any place. To any place. To any occasion. No problem. Maybe for work. Maybe for entertainment. But you have to know that the meaning deals with to go with. Accompany means to go with. The second word with me is expedition. Expedition. The British expedition to the Mount Everest left last week. Okay, what about the word expedition? Expedition. Expedition. Yeah. Let's see the meaning here with me. An organized journey. An organized journey for a particular purpose. Yeah. Maybe scientific purpose. Expedition may be scientific purpose. You have to identify, you have to mention what is the purpose for the expedition. So the meaning of the word expedition is an organized journey for a particular purpose. Wilderness. The next word with me, wilderness. Wilderness, wilderness, wilderness. Yeah, large parts of Canada are still wilderness. Here you can see the word here, wilderness. Let's read together the meaning or the explanation for the word wilderness. An area of land. An area of land that has not been used to grow crops or have towns, fruits built on it, especially because it's difficult to live in as a result of its extremely cold or hot weather or bad weather. It's called wilderness. Let's see the next word. It's cracked. Yeah, the boy smiled, as you see here. The boy smiled, showing a cracked tooth here. You can see with me here, it's a cracked tooth. What is the meaning of cracked? As you see, my dear, cracked means damaged. Cracked means damaged. Yeah, if something is cracked, it's damaged with one or more thin lines on its surface. The word cracked means what? Damaged. Let's see the next word with me. Constant. The next word is constant. Yeah. This man is suffering so much. From what? From what? I think from constant headaches. So the word, my dear students, the word constant means happening a lot, or all the time. Happening a lot or all the time. Let's see together the next word with me. Here is a lion. Here's a lion, and he eats. Another meaning, it, as a lion, it preys on. Zebra. Lions prey on huge herds of wild beasts and zebra. Look here, the word prey on means to hunt or to eat. Prey on means to hunt or to feed on, to eat something, my dear students. I think it's clear from the picture you can see or from the photo. Let's see the next word with me, the word embarked on. Embarked on, my dear students. You know, if you wanted to start an activity or a new activity, this activity is usually or will be here. I'm talking about the activity. It will be difficult and will take time. It means we can talk about it. We embark on. Embark to start an activity. And put in your mind that that activity will be difficult and will take time. Let's see together with the second or the next word. The next word with me is quest. Quest, what does it mean? Quest. If you wanted to have a search for something and it takes a long time to do that, it's called quest. A long search for something. Yeah, that something is difficult to find, so it needs a long search. A long search for something that is difficult to find. It's called quest. It's called quest. What about the next word? Who can read with me? Yeah, you can. It's what? Pond. Yes, again. Pond. Yeah. Let's see an example. The sentence says with me, the bond of the boys' friendship is very strong. Here he talks about that, as you see here, the hands are close together. They are very close friends. So the bond of the boys' friendship is very strong. So the word bond means, dear students, means close connection. Close connection joining two or more people. A close connection joining two or more people. Seek. Here the word is called seek. Yes, you can repeat after me. Yes, do it with me. Repeat. Seek. 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 What does it mean, seek? Seek means what? To try to do something. Maybe. Try to find something. Maybe. Search. Good. To try to attempt. You have to seek. You have to try. You have to try to do something, my dear students. Now, dear students, we have finished. We have finished our new vocabulary for this lesson or for that or for this unit. Let's go directly to our students book. We are still in our students book on page 15. On page 15, as you see, my dear students, we have many exercises relating to the text. Now, look with me. Exercise 2 here. Read the text about a Kuwaiti explorer and fill in the table with the table that follows. Read the text about Kuwaiti explorer and fill in the table that follows. Here, my dear students, it's your rule to read the text calmly. And what is next, my dear teacher? You have to complete. You have to complete the timetable. Timetable about the name of the explorer, the nationality, the team leader, the route, the year of expedition, and distance covered. After reading, you have to complete and you have to put this information in the timetable. Let's see together. Let's imagine that you have read the text. And after that, it's our turn to answer the question. Okay, after answering the question, we have to check our answers together. Let's see the first one. He asks you name of explorer. What is the name? What is the name of the explorer? It's Lamis Najm. About her nationality, it is Kuwaiti. It is, or she's Kuwaiti. Here, we talked about the name, it's Lamis Najm. The nationality, she's Kuwaiti. Okay. The next one, name of the team leader. The name of the leader, it's what? Felicity Aston. Felicity Aston. Now, my dear students, it's time to read. It's time to read. You have to take your time for reading. But we have to read together in this exercise. Let's read together, my dear students, but listen to me. Concentrate with me and pay attention with me, my dear students. In 2018, Lamis Najm became the first Kuwaiti to search or to reach the North Pole. She was part of European expedition organized and led by Felicity Aston. Here I'm talking about the leader of the team is called Felicity Aston. And we are talking about expedition. Let's back to Felicity Aston, the leader of the team, who was the first person to ski across Antarctica on her own. Now we talked about what Felicity Aston, who was the leader of the team. 3 of the participants who accompanied Lamis from the Arabian Gulf region were Sheikha Asma Al-Thani from Qatar, Anisa Raisi from Oman, and Saudi Arabian Mariam Hamiduddin. Unfortunately, Mariam's injuries forced her to cut her trip shorter in order to meet them at the North Pole. At the North Pole. It's complete. On an expedition, the adventurers, and I'm talking about the persons, adventurers slept in the tents in the Arctic wilderness 14 days. They skied about 100 kilometers across cracked ice. I talked with you about the word cracked, damaged. The meaning of cracked, damaged, across cracked ice above water. In temperatures below minus 40 degrees centigrade and under the constant threat of attacks by polar bears, known to prey on human beings. In an interview with the Kuwait Times, Lamis explained the main reasons for her adventure as a desire to escape the familiar and to embark on a cultural quest, long search. The experience created a deep connection and bond between the team members. Kuwait's first North Pole skiers, Lamis is an inspiration for all those who seek an adventurous life. After reading, my dear students, could you tell me anything about Lamis's achievements? Here is the question for you. What is Lamis's great achievement? Yeah, right answer. Yes, you can read with me. Lamis Najm is the first Kuwaiti to reach the North Pole. Okay, you have to get in your mind and you have to keep with me some information about Lamis Najm. Lamis Najm is the first Kuwaiti to do what? To reach the North Pole.